Hello and welcome to Iduna in English. I am your host Prem CDB and today we are going to explore SRM Institute of Science and Technology, commonly known as SRM IST, university that has become a brand in itself. Whether you are aiming for top placements, world-class infrastructure and vibrant campus life, SRM has something to everyone. Let's start with a brief introduction. SRM is a deemed to be university located primarily in Kathankultur near Chennai with additional campuses in Ramapuram, Vadapalani, NCR, Delhi and even abroad in Dubai. With over 50,000 students and 3,200 plus faculty member, SRM offers a wide range of undergraduate, postgraduate and doctoral programs in engineering, medicine, management and science, laws and more. So now let's talk about placements, the most exciting part for any aspirant. In 2024, SRM saw a record-breaking placement season with 850 companies visiting the campus. The highest package touched 57 lakh per annum, which was offered by Palo Alto Networks, and while over 8,609 job offers were rolled out in total. What's even more exciting, over 300 companies offered Super Dream and Dream packages, which range from 5 lakh to 10 lakh per annum. Students from computer science, information technology, AI, and data science were among the top gainers, getting placed in companies like Amazon, Microsoft, Google, TCS, Infosys, Wipro, and Accenture. And yes, many students also got international offers and core roles in Japan, Germany, and Middle East. When it comes to ranking, SRM has consistently performed well both in India and globally. In the NIRF 2023 ranking by the Ministry of Education, SRM was ranked 28 in university category and 43 in engineering globally. SRM has been featured in QS Asia ranking and Times Higher Education, means TNG, for its academic excellence and research output. The university is also NEC accredited an A++ grade, which reflects its overall quality and standards. Now let's decode the fee structure because budget matters. For engineering, we take the annual tuition fee varies based on the branch and campuses. For CAC at Kathankultur campus, it ranges around 2.5 to 3.7 lakh per year. For core branches like mechanical, civil or ECE, it is slightly lower, around 2 to 2.5 lakh per year. Hostel charges are extra, usually 1.2 to 1.8 lakh per annum depending on the type of accommodation, AC, non-AC or single or shared. For management courses like MBA, the fees is around 3.5 lakh per annum. The scholarship based on SRM JEEE rank, merit, sports or academic backgrounds are also provided to help students. Let's move to admission. The primary mode of entry into SRM BTech program is through SRM JEEE. SRM's own entrance exam based on your rank in SRM JEEE. You will be called for counseling and you can select your branch and campus accordingly. Apart from this, SRM also accepts set scores for NRIs and international students. For other courses like MBA, SRM accepts CAT, XAT, MET, NMET or SRM JEEE scores. For an medical and health sciences, admission is through NEET UG. Now let's talk about the most fun part, campus life. The SRM Kathankultur campus is spread over 250 acres and is nothing short of mini city. From high-tech labs, digital classrooms and research centers to a fully air conditioner center, library, everything is world class. The campus also has a tech part and startup incubation centers and collaborations with over 100 plus international universities including MIT, Carnegie Mellon and UC Berkeley. Events like Arushu and the Tech Fest and Milan, the Cultural Fest, bring together students from all over India. The campus has state-of-the-art hostels, sports complex, gym and even Starbucks, Domino's and food courts inside the campus. What sets SRM apart is its international exposure. SRM has tie-ups with universities in the USA, UK, Germany and Australia for student exchange program, joint research and summer internship. Students from SRM have gone on the pursue MS and in LVY League colleges and work in Fortune 500 companies. Let's now take a moment to highlight the achievements of SRM. In the past decade, SRM has produced more than 500 startups, contributed to 1000 plus patents, and received 100 plus crores in research funding. It's one of the very few private universities in India with a nanotechnology research center, AI, supercomputing labs, and industry sponsored centers of excellence. Now, the big question is, SRM worth it? The answer is absolutely yes. If you are looking for a university with a top notch infrastructure, global exposure, great placements, and an active student life, however, if you are looking for low budget government colleges or preparing for IITs and ITs, then SRM might seem expensive. But for the facilities, placements, and brand value it offers, SRM is the one of the best private universities in India. To sum up, SRM Institute of Science and Technology is not just a college. It's a complete ecosystem, a place where education meets innovation and students become future leaders. If you are planning to apply to SRM in 2025, make sure to register for SRM JEEE. Stay updated with counseling rounds and explore all your branch optional wisely. And if you have any doubts, we are always here to help. That's it for today video. If you like this video to deep dive into SRM, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Uduna English for more such detailed college reviews and career guide. Thank you so much for watching.